Welcome back. Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to use VLOOKUP formula. So VLOOKUP formula is actually can be used if you, let's say, you have to search for data from the data given. So in this case you have name, but you have to search age and state from the data given. So you use VLOOKUP, and then you select I column because I column is the data that you have, and then you select A to D for the sources data, and then state is column number 2, age is column number 3, and then you put 0 for exact match, and then you log the column using the $sign. There you go, you have 54 for Haja. Crossing check, Rudy 21, Mira 23, Diana 21, right? So you can copy from J column to K column because you already logged using the $signs. So just change from 3 to 2 because state is column number 2, which is B column, alright? Because you already logged, just copy and paste. So I'm just want to tell you guys what is the benefit and or advantage you use $sign or symbol in your formula, because you can log your formula so that you can copy from column to column without changing the value because you use the same formula. Alright, so you can log row or you can log column in which one you want, right? So crossing check, Nelisa, Kelantan, Leah is Malacca. There you go. So instead of you manually search, you can use VLOOKUP for the data you are looking for. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Goodbye.